Kenwood KM080AT Cooking Chef Machine, Silver. Imagine all your food preparation needs in one machine, everything from mixing, stirring, blending, food processing and cooking. With the Kenwood Cooking Chef, you can save time in the kitchen while it stirs and cooks simultaneously. Great for both savory and pastry recipes, this extra set of hands in the kitchen allows you to enjoy family and friends while entertaining. With the combined planetary mixing and precise temperature control, it is easy to cook fresh, healthy meals for you and your family in this culinary center. The electronic speed control allows ingredients to incorporate before mixing them at high speeds so ingredients stay in the bowl and not all over your countertop. The 4 attachment hubs around the machine allow you to customize your machine with a multitude of optional attachments. Included with the machine is a thermo-resist glass blender and a food processor with chopping blade and 6 stainless steel slicing and shredding discs, making it the ultimate kitchen machine. Additionally, an included steamer basket that fits inside the bowl turns this kitchen machine into a steamer, so you can steam fresh fish, meat, and vegetables on your counter. The Cooking Chef also includes 5 stainless steel, professional quality bowl tools. Each tool has been designed for high-performance mixing to deliver perfect results with any recipe. With 8 mixing speeds, 3 stirring speeds for cooking, pulse and fold functions for controlled mixing, accurate temperature between 70° F to 85° F and 3-hour timer, you are in control of your culinary adventures with the Kenwood Cooking Chef. Adored by world-class chefs and everyday epicureans alike, the Kenwood Cooking Chef understands your passion for food. Powerful 1150W cooking and 800W mixing, cooks directly in the mixing bowl. 4 power outlets offer unrivaled versatility. Splashguard. Yes, Kenwood planetary mixing action gives unparalleled results even on small quantities. Large 7 quarts/6/7L bowl capacity with a generous 3.1 quarts cooking capacity. 5 stainless steel bowl tools. K beater, flexi beater, power whisk, stirring tool and dough hook. Kenwood KM080AT Cooking Chef Machine, Silver. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.